Altamura is a small city located in the region of Puglia, southern Italy. It has a rich history dating back to prehistoric times and a well-preserved historic center that features many beautiful buildings and landmarks. The city's most famous landmark is the cathedral, built in the 13th century in a Gothic Romanesque style. The cathedral is renowned for its intricate rose window and imposing bell tower. The city's historic center also features narrow streets and alleys that wind through medieval buildings and houses, giving visitors a glimpse into the city's rich past. Altamura's natural beauty is also a draw for visitors. The city is surrounded by rolling hills and fields of olive trees, providing the perfect backdrop for outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, and horseback riding. The nearby Gravina di Puglia, a deep ravine that runs through the region, is a popular spot for outdoor enthusiasts. Throughout its history, Altamura has been the site of many important events. During the Roman Empire, it was a thriving agricultural center and important crossroads for trade routes. In the Middle Ages, the city was a major center for the arts and sciences, with scholars from all over Europe gathering there to exchange ideas. The city's historic center reflects this rich history, with many buildings dating back to this time period. In recent years, Altamura has become an increasingly popular destination for tourists. Its rich history, delicious food, and stunning natural beauty make it a must-visit destination in southern Italy. Visitors can spend days exploring the city's historic center, sampling its delicious cuisine, and enjoying the outdoors. Altamura's most famous culinary tradition is its bread, which has been baked using a special recipe for centuries. The bread is made with high-quality durum wheat and baked in traditional wood-burning ovens, giving it a unique flavor and texture. Visitors can sample this bread at local bakeries or restaurants, where it's often served with local cheeses and meats. Altamura is also home to many other delicious local dishes, such as fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and locally produced wine. Altamura is known for its distinctive style of homes and the materials used to build them. The city's history dates back to ancient times, with evidence of human settlements dating as far back as the Neolithic period. The city's architecture reflects a blend of influences from different eras, including Roman, medieval, and Renaissance periods. One of the unique features of Altamura's homes is the use of local limestone, known as tufo, in their construction. Tufo is a soft, yellowish stone that is abundant in the region and has been used for centuries in the construction of buildings in Altamura. The use of tufo gives Altamura's homes a distinct appearance, with their characteristic yellowish hue and rough texture. The homes in Altamura typically have thick walls made of tufo, which provide insulation against the hot Mediterranean climate. The architecture of the homes often includes arches, vaults, and domes, which are common features of Roman and medieval architecture. Many of the homes also have ornate balconies, carved details, and decorative elements, showcasing the city's rich artistic heritage. The layout of the homes in Altamura is also unique, with many of them arranged in a compact, maze-like pattern of narrow alleys and streets, which is a typical feature of medieval cities. The homes are often connected by small courtyards and passages, creating a sense of community and intimacy among the residents. The preservation of the city's architectural heritage is a priority, and strict regulations are in place to protect the integrity of the buildings and ensure their continued preservation for future generations to appreciate. I want to thank you for visiting my channel and thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. May God bless you and keep you safe. See you next time in another amazing and beautiful city or town. Ciao!